cargo show, guys. Like every good thing, this vacation is also over. We have the Minion going to the airport. Let's get the Polo. A little bit sad that we're leaving Tenerife and now everything is going to be filmed on the GoPro because I put the big camera away. But a bit excited that I'm going to go back and be reunited with Slate. Stay tuned. We're now in another lounge called Neptuno in Madrid. There is right here the amenities. There is sleeping room and Wi-Fi and all the other stuff. And there is a very nice view of the strip. But let's go get refreshments. There's some jams, water, some meat for sandwiches. There is a coffee station and more refreshments. I'm gonna pick a Coke, more sandwiches, some gourmet breakfast, bread and cookies, and a good sized bar. One of the best features of my away luggage is this. I'm able to charge my phone and a bench. It's really convenient when you travel because it holds about 2 charges for your phone and you're never left without battery. Can you smell it? I can't really relate the smell, but it's a smell of pollution. And I won't lie, even though I love the vacation, I kind of missed it. It feels a bit nostalgic. You know what else I missed? I missed Slate. Slate? It's right there. Car Ghost. The older subscribers should know that the last time I came back from vacation didn't start. Well, we had a little bit of a problem. Now we're gonna see after 2 weeks of vacation, see if it starts. Well, at least it has battery. Okay, door opened. Moment of truth. Amazing. Same problem. This gotta be a joke. This really have to be a joke. You know, I really didn't want this video to end this way, but this gotta be a joke. You know what? I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna go deal with the problem. You guys have a wonderful day. If you did like this video, the recap of Tenerife and the beginning of another disaster, have a wonderful day. Bye. Yep. Hey, I forgot to say subscribe and like the video. You know, the usual stuff.